We're about to have a quick look at something. I recently added this text editor light underscore XL. Now, a lightweight text editor written in Lua. I don't know why people find it necessary to always say what language it was written in. Please, people, your end user doesn't care what it was written in. It could be written in ancient Babylonian incantations for all they care. The only people who care about that are other programmers. Alright, stop. So I've installed it because if I'm going to put it on the featured packages list, then maybe I should know what it's all about. And besides, I'm all about lightweight applications. Okay, well, I've played with it on my main machine, and let's play the clip. Right, going via my homebrewed app launcher. I must update that one. Okay. Well, something happened immediately, but isn't lightweight supposed to mean quick to launch? Or is that just me? Nothing much happening. And this is not in the VM, by the way. This is my main machine. Okay, we got a black screen instead of a white one. And there we go. Light XL. And there's some instructions there on the screen, which we immediately going to forget about. All right. Let's find something to load. I'm struggling a bit here. I'm trying to scroll down. I don't think that's going to work. You have to actually... There. Let's see. Desktop. Yeah, thank you. Document. Okay, there must be something in there. Oops. Okay, not the most intuitive navigation there. And oops, did I just click on a binary file? Well, you got to give it to it, you know. It doesn't crash. Didn't crash. Okay, let's just find something else. There, now we can see what we are actually trying to edit. There it is, my testbed, Tolstoy's War and Peace, 0.5 gigabyte of text. Or is it 0.5 megabyte of text? Something like that. It's big. Alright, so obviously I can move around to the top, to the bottom. Okay, it doesn't seem to be an alternative to this rather muddy interpretation of dark mode. Okay, what am I doing there? I am trying to, those half-remembered keystrokes that you get on starting the program. Okay. What does that do? Find in directory. Okay. New doc, open file, find command, open user module, whatever that means. Find file, save. Okay, so the basics are all there. It's just you have to sort of retrain your brain to use it. Okay, so I think there's one more thing I want to do. So obviously the first time it launched, it had to trawl the whole disk to see, what all the files were. And this disk is a bit full. So I want to see on the second start, it doesn't show up in recent applications. It's common enough with non-native files. And there we go. Okay. Right, so there was no stage here of first showing a white window. It went straight to the black. So now it's just seeing if there are any changed files since the last time, which is a bit faster. By the way, if you're wondering, when I installed it, it asked for SDL3. So that is what this Lua program is writing against. Okay, well, that was a bit faster. We're about to have a quick look at some. And that was my other video coming back up. Sorry about that. So what can we say about Light XL? Well, I guess it has its points. It's not the worst program I've ever seen. But I don't know. I think I like my text editor a little more conventional. I mean, there are programs where you can experiment wildly with interfaces. I just don't think a text editor is one of them. It's such a basic thing, you know. But your mileage may differ. Your opinion may differ. And if you've been looking for just such a kind of text editor, then now you know where to get it. See you again soon.